Let me start off by saying that every day, millions of liters of oil are either used or transported by ship, boat, and rail in Canada. As a result, for our communities along waterways and rail lines, there is always the risk of spills and accidents. Thanks to Canada's polluter pays principle, anyone affected, including taxpayers, are protected from bearing the cost of damages, losses, and response efforts. Unfortunately, Canadians have been unaware of who we are and the compensation that we could provide during their times of need. For years, we operated as two separate organizations with names too long to remember. Combined with the challenges of a global pandemic, this made it difficult to establish a strong brand recognition that truly connected or connects with Canadians. This is why we are proud to launch Ship and Rail Compensation Canada today. It is Canada's central hub for anyone affected by oil spills from ships or boats, and also major railway accidents involving crude oil. It is formed by the merger of two funds on an administrative level into one single federal office. With this new brand, we are ready to reach more people than ever before. From Newfoundland to Vancouver Island, passing through the prairies into Iqaluit, we will engage with all levels of government, businesses, emergency responders, and of course, Indigenous communities. We all know when disaster strikes, the pressing question on everyone's mind is compensation available? Will there be enough to support me and my family? And what about compensation for local businesses and to restore the environment? We are determined to help answer these questions long before oil spills or major rail accidents occur by making preparedness and compensation the priority. For instance, the Ship Fund received 41 claims last year, a new record in its 35-year existence, and resulting in a total of $1.2 million paid out to claimants. Of course, we want to keep the momentum going, and we aim to increase the number and diversity of claimants in the upcoming years. Despite our successes, we recognize there's more work to be done, and our team is up to the challenge. Now for the Rail Fund. Today's announcement marks an important milestone since our inception, following the tragic Lac-Mégantic accident in 2013. Those who suffer losses after a major railway accident involving crude oil shouldn't have to stress about who to approach and where to turn to for compensation. Losing your homes, maybe even your loved ones, and worrying about long-term health effects is devastating enough. Today, the launch of Ship and Rail Compensation Canada is not about us simply changing our name. We are also launching a brand new website that is easy to find, navigate, and provides clarity on how to submit a claim. In the end, we are committed to making sure Canadians know us, remember us, and ultimately receive the financial support when they need it most. As I close, let me take the time to thank you all for being here today, both in the room and online. And by doing so, you're playing a vital role in making Canada more resilient.